2021 and 2022, Animal Equality conducted an extensive undercover investigation into the dairy industry in the Indian states of Bihar, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Telangana, and West Bengal. We investigated 27 farms, 6 markets, and 2 slaughterhouses. We documented buffaloes, cows, and calves beaten with sticks and ropes. Workers often also hit, kicked, pulled, and twisted their tails. Cows and buffaloes are tightly tethered and forced to stand in their own waste on hard ground. Like humans, cows and buffaloes produce milk only after giving birth to feed and nourish their newborns. In Narsingi, our investigators discovered that male calves are either sold for slaughter or left to die as the farmers do not need them. This is a standard practice in the dairy industry. Mother cows and buffaloes often stop producing milk when they are separated from their calves. To continue taking the milk from their mothers, workers stuff calf carcasses with hay, trying to make the mothers believe that they are nursing their calves. Workers also inject the animals with oxytocin, a hormone that stimulates milk production. Oxytocin has harmful effects on the animals and also on those who consume dairy products. On this farm in Chandrayaan Gatta, the farm worker confesses that they also use drugs to stimulate milk production.
इंजेक्शन वगैरह कौन सा देना पड़ता है? हाँ? नहीं मतलब देना पड़ता है क्या? क्यों देना पड़ता है मतलब? हाँ हाँ
In Bahadurpura, the dairy owner openly admitted administering oxytocin.
भैंस नहीं पचता उसका दवा था। अच्छा थोड़ा मारिएगा तो अच्छा।
In Hyderabad, a supplier of buffaloes to dairies confirms that the drug commonly injected is oxytocin, a drug with harmful effects on the animals and also on those who consume dairy products.
क्या बोलते दूध नहीं दिया तो भैंस लात मारे तो टीका मार के दूध काटते, वो तो है हर डेयरी में है और अभी गवर्नमेंट भी उसको ब्याती। अब लोग चोरी चुपे निकालने वाले निकाल लेते हैं।
दूध कम देते उसको?
दूध नहीं, दूध कम देने का नहीं है वो, भैंस लात मारती बच्चा मर गए तो दूध नहीं देती बच्चे के वास्ते। हाँ ऑक्सीटोसिन, वो इंजेक्शन, दूध बढ़ाने का कोई इंजेक्शन नहीं है।
Investigators traveled to 6 markets in 4 states where cows, buffaloes, and unwanted calves are sold for slaughter.
शादनगर और शंकरपली ये सब जो है वो सिर्फ कटिंग का माल जाता है ना, वो दूध वाला नहीं जाता। यहाँ सिर्फ दूध वाला है। వానకాల వర్షాకాలం అయితే బాగా నడుస్తుంది। ఇక్కడ వచ్చి పాలిచేది అమ్ముతారు కదా? పాలిచేది మామూలుగా తక్కువ, ఇన్నే ఎక్కువ అంటే పాలిచేది।
Weak and dehydrated animals are forced onto trucks by workers who whip and beat them. Children working in these markets imitate this treatment, including the practice of painfully manipulating the genitals of the buffaloes. Following our investigation of a dairy farm near Kolkata, the Animal Welfare Board of India recommended criminal charges for workers caught ramming sticks into a buffalo and pouring water over her nose and mouth to stimulate the effect of drowning. While India has several laws protecting animals, their enforcement is rare and these offences usually remain unpunished. More than 327 million cows and buffaloes endure abuse every day. Protect these animals by replacing dairy products with delicious plant-based options.
Probably shocked and saddened by these visuals. I am too. We must realize that these abusive practices are an integral part of the dairy industry. But we, as consumers, have the power to end this abuse. Remember, when the demand stops, the production stops too. Just like us, animals have a strong will to live and to live a life free of misery. Mahatma Gandhi once said that the more helpless a creature, the more entitled they are to protection by man from the cruelty of man. You can help millions of animals just by doing a small thing, and that is by leaving animals and animal products off your plate. I request you to please consider this today. Thank you.